Whether you are a seasoned investor or taking your first steps, this beginner's guide will unlock the secret of investing in the next frontier of technology. Let's get started. Now, what are the key components a prospective investor needs as a beginner? Knowledge. Knowledge is power. A beginner needs to equip himself with the basic understanding of AI concepts, online courses, financial news, and investment blogs. The second key component is identification of players. Companies like Nvidia, Alphabet, Microsoft are leading the charge in the AI sector of companies in the stock market. However, as an investor, you can keep an eye on emerging stars. Thirdly, an investor should know that diversification is key. Diversifying your AI stock portfolio will mitigate risk. An investor should include both industry giants and smaller companies with good potential when investing. Another important component is long-term vision. An investor should have a long-term perspective. AI technologies may take time to mature, so patience is a virtue in this dynamic market. Lastly, is staying informed. An investor should stay informed about technological advancements, industry regulations, market trends, and financial news. Now let's take a look at some of the best performing AI stocks of 2023. As we earlier mentioned, we have Nvidia, Alphabet, and Microsoft, whom are market giants. Others include Kelly, Amazon, UiPath, Palo Alto Networks, Synopsys, C3.ai, and so on. The truth is, investing during the early stages of any technological revolution will always carry risks. It can be difficult to pick winners and losers, especially when nobody really knows how technologies like AI will shape the future over the long term. But here is the good news. Investors can invest in AI ETFs, also known as AI exchange-traded funds. That means investors can buy one or two AI ETFs rather than picking a bunch of individual AI stocks, and they will have a more diverse stake in the industry. Now, while any single AI stock could lose the majority of its value, an ETF won't face that problem. Examples of such ETFs are: the first example is iShares Robotics and Artificial Intelligence Multi-Sector ETF. It holds shares in 112 different companies around the world with varying degrees of exposure to AI, making it one of the most diversified options for investors. The second example is the Global X Artificial Intelligence and Technology ETF. Global X is a bit more concentrated than the iShares ETF because it holds only 87 individual stocks. The composition of its portfolio is also heavily weighted to some of the largest names in the AI industry. On a final note, remember, investing in AI stocks or any stock requires patience, research, and a long-term perspective. Always diversify your portfolio, stay informed about market trends, and consider seeking advice from financial experts or advisors. Invest only what you are comfortable with, and always do your due diligence before making any investment decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe.